Experience the wonder, experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we...
Hello, Ate. I just want you to know that Mommy and Daddy will always be here for you.
Experience the sight.
Today's special occasion in your life is very important, not only to you, but for the whole family.
Here and now. Discover it all.
Hi Brianna, happy 7th birthday. I hope magabuti mo yung mga dreams ko niya. Nagay mga problema kana naarami ni mami nimo.
Discover the new. Open our eyes. This is where
Hi Berna, happy 7th birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you.
I hear the call. Discover it all.
Happy birthday Brianna. Kanang unta magbinutan na ka. Nya. Di na kasi papadlong. Nya. Kuan. Enjoy your day Brianna. Love kay kanamo nya.
Discover it all. Breathless in awe, we stand amazed in all of this goodness that has been made. Or we lift up our hands and see it all. Just stop and listen and feel again. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is the moment. Here and now. Discover it.
Mommy! Baby! Wala ka parang kapikot na ako. Sakit na ng tuhod.
Discover the new. Open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light. I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
And karon ayaw sa paguyab-uyab, pagbinutan sa kay bata pa kay ka. Okay? Happy birthday.
Discover it all.
Thank you for making me a proud and happy parent. We love you and happy 7th birthday.
Discover it all. Discover it all.